my friends. Well, I'm about to try the craziest thing I've ever done with pouring. I was clearing off my table and I found about 5 or 6 cups of pouring mediums that I had mixed up. Some I labeled, some I didn't, so I only had about not a whole lot of any one of them. So I decided to combine all of them, all the leftover mediums together, and make a pouring medium. So this has a little of everything: water, glue, Floetrol, Liquitex. Who knows what's in here. So I mixed that all up. Then I strained it because it had little lumps in some of them, and then I combined it with some black, gold, silver, and white to do a pour. And what did I do? Oh, one of the whites I added some satin enamel to, just for fun. But then some of those had lumps in them as well. So I strained all of my paints, and now I can't remember which is the satin enamel and which is regular white. So I think it's this one based on the smell, but I'm not absolutely certain. So my plan is I'm going to pour some of this satin enamel in this little puddle in the center, about half of it. Then I'm going to make one layer of each of the rest of the colors. And then I'm going to pour the rest of the satin enamel from up high to blend a little bit and see what happens. So here we go. Oh, and then I found a cup of something that appears to have paint in it. It's too white for just a medium, so if I need to, I'll put that around as a flow extender. But that's it. So I'm going to pour all of the black in. I just used Artist Loft Flow acrylics because I didn't want to waste a bunch of good paint on this experiment. Let's see. All the silver. I used up the last of my big bottle. I don't think they sell it in the big bottle anymore, but I had a stash. White. And gold. So I certainly can't share the recipe with you this time around because I have no idea. I hope I don't love this because I'll never be able to repeat it, but oh well. Okay, now the rest of the what I think is the satin enamel, pouring in from about 6 or 8 inches above. Okay. And here we go. I'm just doing a straight pour, but I am rotating it a little bit. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I dipped my finger on the surface as I was lifting the cup, and someone suggested I think they meant kiss the cup into the surface. Well, and I got a weird line. Maybe that's not what they meant. Oh well. Now, I'm going to hit it with a torch. It's not all that pretty at this point. And I might as well pour this paint around the edges. I think this was for a Dutch pour. I mixed some thin paint. Might as well use it up. Okay. Here we go. Well, maybe I'll keep some negative space. I really like the curvature there. Yeah, I think I will. Do I think of that? Huh. Oh, I'm getting, must be very thin, that stuff I put on. Maybe I was trying the pearl pour. I think that's what that's from. And it was unsuccessful when I did it before. But let's see. I like that right there, that kind of lacing business. I really like that black, solid black in there. Huh. I don't know if I like this or not. Gee, I like what's happening there. What should I do? I like this kind of wispy area there. I'm not sure where to tilt it. Come down this way. Because I like this, and that's kind of nice. Maybe I'll come this way. I'll run that off. That's better. That's better compositionally, I think. But I like to get a curve over here. I have my camera up as high as I could go, so I don't know that you could see the whole thing. You know, I think I like it. I think some more of this stuff may develop over time, so I'm going to hit it with a torch again and let it sit, and then come back to it. Okay, well, I think it's kind of cool. I'm not sure what orientation. It looks really good on the sides. Very happy with that. Let me bring you in for a closer, well, no, you know what? I will wait. Let me let it sit for a while, and then we'll come back and I'll show you and bring you in for a closer look. Hang on. Okay, well, it's been probably 10 minutes, and I think it's developed a little further. And I think I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look at some of these interesting areas. I'm thinking that white that I used as the flow medium, or whatever you call it, flow extender, it had to be the stuff that I tried to use to do a pearl pour, because that's what I got on the edges there. I like it. I like that very much. A little bit over here and there. There's only one area I don't care for, and I hesitate to point it out because, and why I don't care for it, but maybe you can guess. And I don't know what I can do about it. So I think I'm going to let it be, let it dry, and maybe I can hand paint that area that I don't care for. You can try to guess what it is. Okay, my friends, well, thanks for watching. This was kind of fun. And I'll probably do it again because I have a tendency to mix up mediums and not use them up and forget what they were. So I would call this one a happy accident. Okay, give it a try. See you next time.